Indiana, June 25, 2023. A tornado struck parts of northern Johnson County on Sunday, June 25, 2023, resulting in significant damage. The tornado formed during severe storms that swept through Indiana and neighboring states, moving swiftly through the area and causing damage to homes, roofs, and power lines. Power outages are expected to persist for several days. Duke Energy reported over 3,700 customers in Johnson County without power, primarily along Indiana 135, with restoration estimates exceeding 48 hours for some.
Go.
Power lines are down within a 3-mile radius of the tornado's path. To ensure safety and facilitate recovery efforts, a curfew has been implemented in the affected area.
I can't tell if it's coming this way, if it's going to go a little bit towards the pool later, people.
The American Red Cross has set up a shelter at Greenwood Middle School to assist displaced residents.
No, I'm okay. I got him.
Terrible storm, and you guys just get to a safe place right now.
Road closures are in effect due to storm damage, and authorities advise people to avoid the affected areas.
See to the left.
See the one to the left.
Fortunately, there were no reported deaths or injuries, so residents were remarkably lucky to have escaped unharmed.
I think he's okay to come out, don't you?
Yeah.
Hey, bud, it tore up. You're good. Yeah.
Thanks for watching the channel. World is dangerous. See you in the next video.